Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on the E1ULife compensation plan. Before I get into the compensation plan part of this video, I do want to explain exactly what is E1ULife and what type of products and services they provide. So on my screen is a page from their website. Sell as an affiliate, earn like an owner, with commission rates starting at 80%, and you can earn up to $2,000 commissions. Okay, so what is E1ULife? E1ULife is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. They're your personal web building team, and some of their products include built-for-you websites, custom sales pages and multi-page funnels, custom email templates, custom logos, and custom social media images that you can use on Facebook and Instagram. Every tool you need to establish an online presence for your business or organization. They also have two other products: an email autoresponder that you can earn 80% commissions on, and that's a monthly residual commission, and Promo Host, which is their own hosting platform. So if you get any of this custom work done by the E1ULife team, you can have them hosted on Promo Host, E1ULife's own hosting platform, instead of going to some third-party hosting platform like GoDaddy or HostGator. Okay, so every tool you need to establish an online presence for your business or organization. Okay, it'll help to brand yourself or brand your business or organization. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's really simple. You're just, promoting, selling other companies' products and services. And when someone makes a purchase using your specialized affiliate link, then you earn a commission. Now, there are tens of thousands, if not more than that, companies on the internet who have affiliate programs. And the two biggest ones are Walmart and Amazon. And Amazon calls their affiliates Amazon Associates. So let's compare Walmart, Amazon with E1ULife members. Okay? So on my screen here with Walmart, if you're an affiliate for Walmart, you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products. As an Amazon associate, you can earn up to 20% commissions on their products. But as an E1ULife member, you can earn starting at 80% commissions and earn up to $2,000 per sale. Okay? And another thing about Walmart and Amazon, with earning such low commission rates, a lot of their products, they don't cost that much. So you're not going to earn that big of a commission, which means that you have to sell a lot of product every month in order to make a decent income from it. Okay? In order to make like $2,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 per month, you have to sell a lot of product. With E1ULife, you only have to sell one product and earn a $2,000 commission for the month. Okay? Just one. All right? If you want to make more, you still only have to make a handful of sales in 1 month in order to make $4,000, $6,000. That's 2 to 3 sales of their top package, which is called Vertex Life. Now, let's look at the commission breakdown for each one of their web packages. They have 6 web packages, and let me show you the breakdown. The lowest package is called Elevation Basic, and it's a one-time $30, and you earn a $25 commission. Elevation Elite is a one-time $100, and is a one-time $110, and you earn a $100 commission. Vertex, you earn a $250 commission. Vertex Elite is $500 commission. Vertex Pro is $1,000 commission, and Vertex Live is $2,000 commission. And there are people who are E1ULife members who are earning these $2,000 commissions over and over again every month because they're able to sell this Vertex Live package and earn $2,000 commissions. Okay? So let me scroll on down here. And again, the E1ULife team, They can create built-for-you websites, landing pages, and opt-in pages, multi-page funnels, custom email templates, and the custom email templates help you to stand out in the inbox of your potential customers, so your emails won't get lost among all of the other emails that your potential customers are getting every day. Get your own custom logo made. I had my own custom logo created by the E1ULife team just recently, just this past week, and they did an excellent job. I love my logo. I'm working on branding myself and my business, so this is the first part of it, is getting my custom logo done, and they get it done within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Social media pack. This is where you can have them create your social media images that will help to build your online presence, build your brand, or build your business or organization's brand, and have those images on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And what I like about this company is that they have 24/7 customer support team. Okay, I have contacted their customer support team several times over the past couple of months, 3 months, and they get back to me within a few hours, and they've answered every single question. Okay, so they're really, really good at getting back to you, and they provide excellent customer service. Okay, so anytime you need any help with anything, whether it's one of your custom designs or you have a technical question, contact the support team. Okay, put in a ticket and they are there ready and happy to help you. So here are the 6 web packages, and I'm going to show you what you get with them, and then I'm going to go over the compensation plan. Vertex Live is our most popular package. It's a one-time $2,500 purchase price, and there's 2 reasons why this one is so popular. The first reason is that with Vertex Live, you get all of the custom work that is included with these other web packages. Okay, so not only do you get the built-for-you website, which comes with Vertex Live, but you also get the multi-page funnel, the logo, email templates, social media pack, and opt-in pages. If you go online and do a Google search of how much a built-for-you website would cost to have it custom made for you, it can range from $5,000 to $10,000 or more to get a professionally customized built-for-you website done. Okay, so you're getting a really great deal, because again, you're not just getting the built-for-you website for $2,500, you're getting all of this other custom work done for just that price, one-time price. Okay, now, you know, some people, they come in, they can't afford the $2,500, or maybe they don't need all of that work. These packages are designed for anyone to get started with, based on what your business needs are and what your budget is. Okay, now another reason that Vertex Live is so popular is that when you purchase this one, you become eligible to receive commissions at every single product level. Okay, so not just the Vertex Live, the $2,000 commission, but the $1,000, $500, $250, $100, and $25 commissions as well. Now, if you are on a budget, okay, based on your business needs and your budget, you can come in at one of the lower product packages to get started. Vertex Pro, you get everything except for the built-for-you website. Vertex Elite, $550, you get everything except for the multi-page funnel and the built-for-you website. Vertex, one-time $275, you get the opt-in pages, social media pack, and email templates. Elevation Elite, you get the opt-in pages and social media pack. And for Elevation Basic, for one-time $30, you get the custom opt-in pages. Okay, now here's the part about the compensation plan. Alright, I just told you a little bit about it with Vertex Live. If you come in at Vertex Live, you're eligible to receive all of the commissions. Okay, so if you sell a Vertex Pro, you get the $1,000 commission and so on. Alright, now your second sale that you make at whichever product level you came in at, that second sale goes to your sponsor. So the way the compensation plan works is that the first sale you make at the product level you're at goes to you. You get that commission. The second sale that you make goes to your sponsor. Okay? The third sale and all future sales go to you. So you only pass up, this is a one-up system, you only pass up the second sale at the product level that you purchase, and then you keep the first sale and the third sale and all future sales after that. Okay? Very simple compensation plan. Now, there's two things I want to talk about regarding this compensation plan. Now, normally, if you come in at one of the lower product levels, you're only eligible to receive commissions up to that product level. So the way it works is that if you come in at Vertex Elite, you purchase this for $550, and you decide to become a reseller, which is automatically included with this, you decide to resell these packages. If you resell, if you're at Vertex Elite, you resell a Vertex package, you receive the $250 commission. You can also sell the Elevation Elite and get the $100 commission. Sell the Elevation Basic, you get the $25 commission. But if you sell a Vertex Live package, you're not going to receive that $2,000 commission. You're not going to receive any of that commission. Okay? Now, don't click off this video yet, because what E1ULife has done is that they decide that they want to create a win-win situation for all of their affiliates. Like, it's not fair that you come in at Vertex Elite, you put in the work to get customers, and one of those customers decides to purchase a product level that's higher than where you're at, and you don't receive that commission. That's not fair, right? So E1ULife has created something called a reseller bridge license that you can have, and that will allow you to earn 50% commissions on those products, those web product packages that you do not own, that are above where you're at. Okay, so if you're at Vertex Elite, we're using the same example. If you're at Vertex Elite, you make a Vertex Live sale. If you have that reseller bridge license, you're going to earn a $1,000 commission. So let me show you how you get that reseller bridge license. Now, E1ULife has something called E1U Marketing Pro. E1U Marketing Pro is their own marketing system. Okay? It's a full-fledged marketing system, and included with this marketing system, under the bonuses here, is the reseller bridge license. Okay? Now, E1U Marketing Pro is a $49 per month purchase, or you can pay annually, all right, if you don't like monthly purchases, or if you don't like to pay monthly. But if you're on a budget, you can pay $49 per month, and this reseller bridge license is automatically included. And with this, all you have to do is own one of these packages, one of these lower packages here, and you get access to this reseller bridge license where you earn 50% commissions on the products that you don't own. So even if you come in at Elevation Basic for a one-time $30 purchase, if you have E1U Marketing Pro with that reseller bridge license and you sell a Vertex Live package, you're still going to earn a 50% commission, which is $1,000. You sell 3 of these, that's $3,000 in commissions you've earned, and that's more than enough for you to upgrade and purchase Vertex Live, and then you'll be eligible to receive the full commission, which is $2,000. Okay? So that's basically how the reseller bridge license works. But that's not the only thing you get with this E1U Marketing Pro. You also get the email autoresponder that I mentioned before. It's called Promo Response. Okay, and you can earn 80% monthly residual commissions if you sell Promo Response. And you can use Promo Response as your autoresponder to build your email list as well. So it's automatically included in the price for E1U Marketing Pro. Promo Host, the hosting platform. If you have any of that customized work done by the E1ULife team, you can have those pages hosted on Promo Host instead of going to GoDaddy or HostGator or Bluehost. Okay, and not only that, you can promote Promo Host, sell Promo Host to customers, and earn 80% monthly residual commissions. Okay, so This is a way where you can earn not only low to high ticket commissions, one-time commissions, but you can also earn monthly residual commissions by promoting their email autoresponder and their hosting platform. You also get email template series in the back office here. Okay, let me show you that. So they have template email series that you can use. Just input the share code into the promo response email autoresponder, and you got several emails already set up to go out to your leads. They have marketing banners and they have social media banners. I'm using one of their social media banners now, so you could pick whichever one you want to use. Also, they have opt-in pages. Right now, they currently have 10 opt-in pages that you can choose from and connect one of their sales pages to it. And right now, they have 5 sales pages you can choose from. I use this one because it has a 6-minute video that explains the compensation plan in it. Okay, so even if you're at Vertex Life, even if you purchase Vertex Life, you can still get value from purchasing the E1U Marketing Pro marketing system for $49 per month, because there's another bonus back here called the Vertex Life bonus ladder. I'm not going to go into detail about this. I think in my previous video I did talk about that, so you can check that out by going to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos by E1ULife and about affiliate marketing in general. But I have a playlist called E1ULife, and you can go on there to check out even more detailed descriptions about E1ULife and their products and about this Vertex Life bonus ladder. I just wanted to mention that with this bonus ladder, you can earn up to $350 in bonus money for every Vertex Life sale you make if you're a Vertex Life member. Okay? So, and it doesn't matter how many Vertex Life sales you make in a month, you can earn those $350 for each one of them. Okay, not just one time, not just 2 times. Every single $350 bonus for each Vertex Life transaction. Not only that, you can earn 100% commissions on product packages 1 through 5, which is Elevation Basic through Vertex Pro. So instead of getting $1,000 at Vertex Pro, you'll get $1,100. You get the entire purchase price as your commission. All right. So that's in, like, if you've had this subscription to the E1U Marketing Pro for 7 months, that is what you get. $350 bonus for each Vertex Life transaction, plus the 100% commission on all the other packages 1 through 5. Okay. So I just wanted to go over that real quick. Compensation plan is very simple. You earn up to the level you're at. If you have the E1U Marketing Pro, you earn 50% commissions on the products packages that you don't own. And also, you pass up your second sale to your sponsor, and that's it. Okay, you keep the first sale and the third sale and all future sales after that. If you're ready to get started with E1ULife, just go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to get started. Just put in your first name and your email address. You're going to go to a page that's similar to this, but it's going to have a video that goes into detail about the compensation plan. And then you'll be able to click on a button to get started. It'll take you to a form where you can create your free account, fill out that information. After that, you'll be taken to the website, to the back office, where you can pick out which product package you want to purchase. Once you do that, you get instant access to your back office and your dashboard, and then you can go through the training, very simple training to help you get started the right way in your new business and start earning those 80% commissions and up to $2,000 commissions in your new business. Again, thank you for watching this video on the E1ULife compensation plan, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.